Guess what we got? Got back from the mall.
Awkward.
I couldn't wait till we got home to open them. This one you can only get at the Stitch Miniso pop-up. This one, these are both from Miniso, but this one you can get from Miniso store. So I think we should do this one first.
This one.
This one.
Okay.
I'm gonna
suspense is
I'm
killing
gonna put my purse down. Okay. Oh, I should take my seatbelt off.
Oh my gosh.
First one are the different designs.
There's only two. I don't like blind
Those
boxes because I'm a collector. I like to have the whole series. So this is just, I'm not doing this. I'm not buying into this blind box thing. You don't get the one you want, you're going to keep buying, or if you get doubles, like, so this is a one-off. Unless they come up with Santa Claus ones, then I'm buying all the blind boxes.
I know which one I want, but I'm not going to say, because when you say, you never get what you want.
Can't always get what you want.
What you want. The famous tab.
Oh.
How do you open this?
Do we have to go to the house to get a utility knife? Still like little cut in it.
Like a, you know, a tab or something.
Oh!
It's the one I wanted!
Gosh,
It's
what
the
a
one I wanted.
coincidence. It's the same, pretty sweet. Let's see. It's very boo-boo-esque. It's much better than I thought it was going to be.
Oh, I knew it was going to be sweet. It's got a lot of weight to it. Like, that is a good value.
It's not that much weight. I love the finding the tab. Meantime, everybody
Okay,
can look at my sweet match game.
So here are the designs for the Gen Z Street.
They get you when they say you can only get this one at the store. You won't look at the card.
I want to look at
You shouldn't look at the
Oh,
card.
it comes with... No, I won't.
Oh, look at that. Look at that little notch right there. Oh.
Look at the back, look at the back.
This one's like, yeah.
Look at the back.
Yeah. This one's like too cool for school.
626, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
It comes with this, I think this is his little like chain necklace or something. And here's his
Look at his
little card.
Look at his little pants.
It is. Oh my gosh, I'm so...
What if you wanted to hook? Oh, this guy's got an attitude, just like I said. Yeah.
I love that so much.
Why don't you marry it? Why don't you marry it?
We're gonna go home now.
Yeah. All right, little babies, it's Stitch.